If you're considering diving into Shenzhen Honglan e-commerce, there are 7 key things you absolutely need to know before you make a purchase. Stick around till the end, because what I'm about to share could save you time and money and might just change how you approach e-commerce altogether. And by the way, if you're thinking about trying Shenzhen Honglan e-commerce, check out the first link in the description below for the best free trial and some exclusive perks. Now let's get into it. First, unlike other e-commerce platforms that focus mainly on small-scale dropshipping, Shenzhen Honglan e-commerce is designed for scalability. You can start small, but easily scale up your operations as your business grows. This makes it a great option for entrepreneurs who are serious about long-term success. Many competitors only provide basic tools for dropshipping, while Shenzhen Honglan gives you more robust features like inventory management, order tracking, and customizable storefronts right out of the gate. Next thing, the platform is heavily integrated with suppliers in Shenzhen, which means you're getting access to some of the most competitive prices on the market. If you're comparing this to other major e-commerce platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, you'll quickly realize that Honglan's close proximity to manufacturers gives it a significant edge in terms of pricing and supply chain efficiency. Plus, with their direct access to factories, you're looking at faster shipping times, which is a huge advantage when you're aiming to provide the best customer experience. The third thing you need to know is about Shenzhen Honglan e-commerce's customization options. While many platforms require you to get deep into code to really stand out, Honglan's easy-to-use design tools make customization a breeze. You get drag-and-drop website builders, various templates, and advanced design settings to create a unique storefront without hiring a developer. This is a major advantage over platforms like WooCommerce, where customization often feels clunky and requires technical know-how. Moving on to the fourth thing, let's talk about their customer support. Shenzhen Honglan e-commerce offers 24/7 customer service, which is a game changer if you're running an online business that never sleeps. Their support is direct, professional, and available in multiple languages, which sets them apart from many competitors who only offer limited hours or support in one language. Having reliable customer support when issues arise is essential, and Honglan truly shines here. The fifth thing is their analytics and reporting tools. Honglan offers a powerful suite of analytics to track everything from customer behavior to sales trends. You can easily generate reports to help optimize your business decisions and increase profits. Many competing platforms either charge extra for these features or offer much less robust tools. With Honglan, you get comprehensive insights without the extra cost, which can make a massive difference in your ability to scale and optimize your e-commerce store. Next thing, while other e-commerce platforms might focus mostly on web-based sales, Shenzhen Honglan e-commerce also offers a mobile app that allows you to manage your store on the go. This app lets you handle orders, check inventory, and even communicate with customers, which is incredibly helpful for business owners who are frequently on the move. If you're comparing this to platforms like Shopify, you'll find that many of them don't offer as seamless an experience for mobile management. The seventh and final thing you need to know is their commitment to security and fraud prevention. Shenzhen Honglan e-commerce uses the latest encryption technology and offers features like two-factor authentication to protect your store and customer data. In a world where e-commerce fraud is on the rise, it's crucial to choose a platform that takes security seriously. Honglan offers these protections as part of their standard service, which is a big plus when compared to platforms that offer limited security options unless you pay for higher tier plans. So, if you're looking for an e-commerce solution that offers competitive pricing, scalability, customization, and great customer support, Shenzhen Honglan e-commerce might just be what you've been searching for. And if you want to try it out for yourself and get access to the best trial offer, make sure to click the first link in the description below.